Are you tired of using single-use plastic containers? A reusable meal prep container is the perfect solution. It helps you store food safely, saves money, and reduces waste, making it a must-have for busy, eco-conscious people. If you are looking for the best reusable meal prep container available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the VERONES Airtight Glass Lunch Container. The VERONES Airtight Glass Lunch Container is a high-quality meal prep solution designed to meet your food storage needs. Made from durable borosilicate glass, these containers are oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, providing great versatility for everyday use. Unlike cheaper glass containers, this premium material ensures strength and durability, allowing you to store freshly cooked meals directly without worry. Whether you're preparing meals at home, packing office lunches, or storing leftovers, these containers are perfect for various occasions. Each set comes with 5 36 ounces containers, each featuring 3 compartments, making it easier to separate different meal components. The airtight locking lids ensure that your food stays fresh and secure, preventing spills and leaks. The BPA-free snap lock lids are easy to open and close, offering a tight seal that keeps your food safe. The containers also stack together, saving storage space and making them ideal for those with limited kitchen space. In terms of safety and portability, the VERONES glass containers have an edge over plastic options. They are non-toxic, don't absorb food odors or stains, and are easy to clean. The glass material is more eco-friendly and longer-lasting than plastic, making it a great investment for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. However, a few cons to note are that the lids are not microwave or dishwasher friendly, so they must be removed before heating or cleaning. Additionally, the glass containers can be heavier than plastic alternatives, which may not be ideal for people who need to carry multiple meals at once. The 4th product on this list is the Rubbermaid Brilliance. The Rubbermaid Brilliance is designed to make meal prep and storage both easy and convenient. Made from durable, clear Triton material, these containers are stain and odor resistant, ensuring that you can always see your meal's contents without worrying about lingering smells. The crystal clear design adds an extra layer of organization to your kitchen, making it easy to spot what's inside each container. These containers are 100% leak-proof, featuring a secure seal and latches that ensure no spills or messes, even when transporting food. You can confidently pack your lunch, snacks, or leftovers without the fear of leaks. Additionally, they are microwave safe with built-in vents that allow for hassle-free heating without needing to remove the lid. This feature saves time and makes reheating meals more convenient. The Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are also lightweight yet durable, making them easy to carry while being sturdy enough for everyday use. Their stackable design is perfect for maximizing space in your fridge or pantry and keeping your kitchen organized. These containers are safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer, providing versatility for all your meal prep needs. However, one potential downside is that the containers might not be as compact as other meal prep options, taking up a bit more space in the pantry. Additionally, they may require extra care and handling to maintain their crystal clear appearance over time. Still haven't found the best reusable meal prep container for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Pyrex Freshlock. The Pyrex Freshlock is a versatile and practical solution for organizing and storing meals. This 10-piece set includes a variety of container sizes to suit different food storage needs, such as 2 2-cup round containers, a 3-cup rectangular container, a 4-cup square container, and a 7-cup round container, all with matching airtight lids. One of the standout features of these containers is the built-in Write Plus erase label on the lids, which makes labeling your food easy and convenient. You can write on the lid to keep track of what's inside, avoid mix-ups, or simply remind yourself what's for lunch. This feature adds a fun and practical element to meal prep, particularly when storing multiple meals. The Pyrex Freshlock containers are made from high-quality glass, which resists stains and odors, providing peace of mind when storing food. The non-toxic, BPA-free plastic lids are microwave, freezer, and top-rack dishwasher safe, offering a hassle-free experience. The airtight lids with 4 locking tabs ensure that your food remains secure and leak-proof, making them ideal for storing food on the go. However, there are a few downsides. While the glass construction is durable, it can be heavy, especially when carrying multiple containers. The lids may also require extra care to avoid cracking over time. The second product on this list is the Zulay Kitchen Meal Prep Containers. Zulay Kitchen Meal Prep Containers are the ideal solution for anyone looking to organize their meals and keep food fresh for longer periods. Made from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are built to last. Borosilicate glass is known for its durability and resistance to temperature changes, meaning it can handle both hot and cold foods without cracking or warping. These meal prep containers offer a high level of safety when it comes to food storage. Borosilicate glass is non-toxic and does not leach harmful chemicals into your food, unlike some plastic alternatives. This ensures that your meals remain safe and healthy for consumption. Additionally, the containers are designed to be airtight and leak-proof, keeping your food fresh for longer and preventing spills or messes in your bag or refrigerator. The sleek and simple design of Zulay Kitchen Meal Prep Containers also makes them easy to clean and maintain. They are dishwasher safe, which saves time and effort, and their transparent design lets you easily see what's inside. However, one downside is that the borosilicate glass can be heavier compared to plastic containers, which may make them less ideal for carrying large amounts of food. Additionally, glass can break if dropped, so extra care is needed when handling the containers. Before we reveal the best reusable meal prep container on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our best reusable meal prep container is the Ello Duraglass. Ello Duraglass offers a set of 5 reusable meal prep containers designed to make food storage simple and convenient. Each set includes 5 3.4-cup glass containers with matching BPA-free plastic locking lids. These containers are perfect for meal prepping, allowing you to store portions of your favorite meals for the week ahead. The Duraglass containers are made of high-quality tempered glass, which is resistant to stains and odors. This feature helps keep your containers looking clean and fresh, even after multiple uses. Unlike plastic, these glass containers don't absorb smells or stains, making them an excellent choice for long-term use. The lids on these containers are leak-proof and airtight, which helps to preserve the freshness of your food for a longer time. The snap-on lids lock tightly, preventing any spills while also being freezer and top-rack dishwasher safe. The containers themselves are oven and microwave safe, allowing for easy reheating without needing to remove the lids. However, one downside of these containers is that they are not as stackable as plastic containers, which may take up more storage space. Additionally, while the glass is durable, it is still heavier than plastic options. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.